Hi, welcome to the Shelly Studio. Today I am doing a project for my creative year, and this month we are to create our own color palette and create something from there. Doesn't have to be painting, you can draw whatever, but I have so much paint. Painting is the thing. And I picked these colors. They are mostly Fine Touch, I think is the brand. I got them on clearance at Hobby Lobby, and I did that screenshot at the beginning. You can screenshot that if you want the colors. I did also add mixing white, which is what I'm putting on there now. It's kind of a transparent white rather than an opaque white. I've never really used it, but obviously I got that on clearance too. You can see all my clearance stickers on everything. And so I thought I would pull that out and try mixing with it to see what I came up with. So I picked my color palette, and as I'm looking back, I did this one, and then I've done some painting since, and a few before, and I think this is my go-to color palette, at least lately, because I have a lot of stuff that is that color. And if you look at the thumbnails on my YouTube channel, you might notice those colors kind of repeating themselves, at least lately. But I really do just love those colors. And I did pick kind of somewhat primary, the blue, red, and yellow family, so that I could mix. And so that's where I got that orange. That was a mix of the pink and the yellow. I do end up adding some dioxin purple and oh yeah, I told you about the white. So those are the two colors that aren't on that list. But the idea is for you to come up with your own color palette, something you want to try this month, and some colors you'd like to try combining, and just create something with it. And if you don't have any ideas, maybe find a picture you like and pull the colors out of that. Like something that really appeals to you. You can also find color palettes on Pinterest. You can actually just search color palettes and just a whole bunch of them will show up. And Gina has put an album, I believe, on the My Creative Year, which I haven't added to yet. I will add that picture from the beginning to the album. That might actually go up before this video comes out, but so that can give you some ideas too. And if you're in that group, the My Creative Year group, and you create a color palette, I'd love to see you add it to the photo album and share what you've created in My Creative Year. So this one, it is actually inspired by an image I saw, and it was a painting. I'm not sharing it because, it's probably copyrighted. I don't want to mess with it, but just doing the same sort of general idea that I saw in that picture. And really it's just a bunch of colorful flowers in a field with a cool pink sky. When I created this, I had lots of leftover paint, so I put it all on another piece of paper, and so I'm going to share that video as well. I'll probably just post it maybe at the same time, or I'll put a link to it down below, maybe make a little playlist, because after I do that one, then the drop paper that is behind my painting right here that I'm just using as a palette, it's actually like a brown craft paper background. I turn that into something which I really like. It looks better close up than it does far away, but I will share that one too. So that'll be 3 videos with this one painting session. And I'll make a little short playlist and put it in the description box below in case you're interested in seeing what other things I created with the pile of paint that's on my desk at the moment. So, I think I've run out of things to say. Oh, this is where I started adding a little bit of that dioxazine purple because I just wanted some more purpley color in there. And I think it's called Rouge from the Fine Touch brand was not quite getting deep enough purple for me. So anyway, I'm just going to let the music play because obviously I've run out of things to say. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, let me know. Give me a thumbs up or leave me a comment. If you have any questions about it or about my creative year, let me know. I'll put a link to that Facebook group in the description box below as well. And I hope you enjoy watching the rest of this. See, I'm even going to take a little bit of that blue and some yellow and make some green for my flowers. And it's about finished. I hope you liked it. If you did, share it with your friends. Again, thumb it up, leave me a comment. And thank you all for watching.